Evacuees, Unveiled, understanding the term. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the term evacuees. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also its significance and when to use it. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Evacuees is derived from the verb evacuate. To evacuate means to remove someone from a place of danger to a safer place. Therefore, evacuees are individuals who have been moved from a potentially harmful or dangerous situation to a safer location. For instance, during natural disasters like floods or wildfires, people might be moved from their homes to a safe shelter. These people are called evacuees. Throughout history, there have been many instances where large groups of people were evacuated due to wars, natural disasters, or other threats. These groups are often referred to as evacuees in historical texts. For example, during World War II, many children from cities in the UK were sent to the countryside to escape bombings. These children, along with any other people moved for safety, were called evacuees. To help you grasp the term better, here are some examples. 1. The evacuees were taken to a local school for shelter during the hurricane. 2. With the forest fire approaching the town, authorities decided to move the evacuees to a safer location. 3. Many evacuees from the war-torn region are seeking refuge in neighboring countries. And that's it for today. We hope this video shed light on the term evacuees. It's always enlightening to learn not just the definitions of words, but also their contexts and histories. The next time you come across this term, you'll be well equipped to understand and use it. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.